I'm at NAB's Advanced Technologies Pavilion, and we've got David from MaestroVision. How you doing, David?
Doing good.
Great. Would you mind telling me a little bit about MaestroVision and what you guys do?
Well, the cornerstone of our suite is the asset management system. So we have a LAN interface, a web interface, which allows you to manage all your assets from anywhere around the world. You can basically do searches, either quick searches or more advanced searches.
Okay.
For example, when you search for assets, you have different views. So this is a thumbnail view, and with each asset, you can go into details, and you can manage all the metadata of all your assets.
So it catalogs everything.
Yes, and this interface is fully customizable. All the fields are customized for the client, for what their needs are, and we also have the LAN interface.
Okay,
so if you want to
and
see
that's
it right here.
that would be right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So all the changes that happen, either LAN or web-based, reflect in each of the versions.
Okay.
And
I assume that means it can be accessed remotely as well.
Yes, this is a client interface. Everything is client-server. So with this interface, you can also do segments for your assets. And
when you say segments, are you saying mark segments or actually like news cutting?
You can do mark-ins, mark-outs for each of the assets, which generate virtual assets, which means that the original asset will have segments, and you can then schedule these segments in your playlist in the automation server.
Got it. All right.
And you can also preview, because right now we have the broadband preview. So I just click here, you have the preview.
All right. When you say broadband, what do you mean? As in remote? Baseband. Okay.
Baseband, yeah. So you have the baseband preview, and we also have the local preview here, which is available for different versions of files.
Got it. So now how do we get... Does it automatically crawl volumes with like a watch folder type environment, or do you ingest kind of like Final Cut Server or some other systems where you would upload the data into the system and then add the metadata along with that?
The way it works is from the editing stations, we have a watch folder where you can just copy your final edited file, and the asset manager will automatically detect that file and bring it into the materials list. And then from there, you can just edit and complete the metadata.
Got it.
And it will be reflected into the web interface. And also, in the web interface, you can also go into the Create Asset section. So what you do is you go here, you create the asset metadata, you save, and then you'll have the option to upload the file to the server with the integrated FTP applet.
Gotcha. All right, now I assume proxy files are created or something to that effect?
We also have a transcoding engine in behind where you can have the thumbnail generated, the proxy file, the high-res file in different flavors. You can generate the MPEG, the MOV, whatever the client needs is automatically transcoded into the correct format.
Excellent. All right, well, thank you so much from MaestroVision at NAB 2012.